Hi everyone, this is NewTimes Hair. Today we're going to talk to you about one of the fundamental aspects of making a hair system, ventilation. There are 9 ventilation methods in the hair industry, and they're as follows. Single reverse split knots, double reverse split knots, single flat knots, double flat knots, V-looped hair, normal injected hair, lift injected hair, double silk top, and single silk top. Each method has its own characteristics and can give you a particular look to your hair. But you need to be careful about which ventilation method you use and where, because it could have an overall negative effect on the look of your hair system. In this video, we'll show you 2 very realistic ventilation methods that can only be applied to lace. They are single silk top and double silk top. And we'll show you how to make them, as well as talking about their individual traits and characteristics and the kind of appearance you can get from them. Now we're going to show you how to make single injected lace. The first thing you need to do is make single flat knots on the injected lace. Then we need to use an injected lace needle to pull the hair through the silk mono. But for single injected lace, we won't pull both strands of hair through the silk mono. Instead, we will just pull the long strand out and leave the short one behind the silk mono, as you can see. So there'll be short hair strands, also called return hair, left on the underside of the base. That means on the hair side of the base, we'll just see the long hair strands. Now we're going to show you how to make double injected lace, also known as double silk top. We need to use an injected lace needle to pull the hair through the silk mono, as you can see here. So, for double injected lace, the technician takes the 2 strands of hair of a knot and pulls both of them through the silk mono. So on the hair side of the base, we can see both the short hair strands, also called return hair, as well as the long hair strands. Okay, now let's compare single and double injected lace. In the case of double injected lace, we can see that there is return hair on the hair side of the base, meaning that there are many short hairs mixed in with the long hairs. But for single injected lace, there is no return hair on the hair side of the base. This means silk injected lace gives a very fine and delicate, as well as natural look. Now, in terms of what you should recommend to your clients, they may think that the single injected lace has a better final look, but single injected lace is a more complicated process. It takes more time to make. If your client does want a long-haired hair system and they're prepared to wait and they're prepared to pay more for it, then that would be okay. For men's hair systems, since the hair is usually cut short, both single or double injected lace would be fine. Silk top is just one type of ventilation method that we use at NewTimes Hair. So if you're interested in finding out about the other types of ventilation methods we use, then check out our videos on YouTube.